female reproductive system of rabbit. Okay ma. So male reproductive system consists of pair of testes. In that female reproductive system consists of pair of ovaries. Okay ma. You see that ovary, it is in blue. This is ovary. Okay amma. Then it is very small. Okay, ovoid in structure. It is located in that abdominal cavity. Okay, abdominal cavity, and also it behind that kidney க்கு பின்னாடி இருக்குது. Okay, ovary. Okay, you see that a pair of oviducts open. Oviducts. Okay amma. Pair of oviducts, the ஓவரியிலிருந்து வரக்கூடியதான் என்னது oviducts. Okay, so that pair of oviducts open into the body cavity by a funnel shaped opening from each side of the ovary. அந்த funnel shaped இந்த மாதிரி இப்படி ஒரு funnel shaped structure, அதான் என்னது both sides funnel shaped structure. Okay, you see that anterior part of the oviduct is the fallopian tube. The anterior part இந்த இருக்கா, just you see that this is fallopian tube. This anterior part of the oviduct is the fallopian tube. Anterior oviductல உள்ள அந்த anterior part நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், fallopian tube ன்னு சொல்றோம். After that it leads into a wider tube. அதுக்கப்புறம் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் பெருசா அகலமா அது, that is called uterus. இதான் என்னது uterus. You see that this is called uterus. That uterus join together to form a median tube. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த uterus வந்து அப்படியே ஜாயின் ஒரு median tube-ஆ மாறுது. ஓகேயாம்மா, median tube, that is called vagina. ஓகேயாம்மா, that is called vagina. Median tube, that is called vagina. You see that vagina, median tube அப்படியே வந்து. Okay, then the common tube is formed by the union of urinary bladder. Okay, then the common tube is அப்படியே common tube வந்து form ஆகி by that union எதில் போய் joint ஆகுது, urinary bladder. Okay, you see that, yes, urinary bladder. Then that urinary bladder and that vagina, it is called urinogenital canal or vestibule. Urinogenital canal or vestibule. Okay, so this is called vagina. You see that, yes. Then after that it backwards into open into the exterior by a slit like aperture, that is called vulva. ஒரு slit like aperture அப்படியே runs backwards ஆகி அது ஒரு opening, that is called vulva. So a pair of Cowper glands, but in that male, that only that prostate gland, Cowper gland and perineal gland. Here pair of Cowper glands, அங்க single but here two. Okay, and perineal glands and that accessory glands present in that female reproductive system. Okay ma. So in this class we have to complete that lesson. Okay, so the unit 13 over. Unit 13 is over in this class. After that we have to learn that question answer. Okay, so in this class we have to learn male reproductive system of rabbit. Draw the diagram also. Okay, so it is in your book page number 196. That answer is given in 196. Male reproductive system, starting from male reproductive system full. Okay, up to the with the diagram also. So this is one question. Another one questions. This is nerve system. In brain, it is the same page 196. Starting from brain is situated in cranial cavity. 3 membranes. Okay, so that brain covered 3 membrane, that is outer durameter, inner pyometer, that middle is arachnoid membrane. So just you see that paragraph, learn and write. Okay, then next one more question. Circulatory system. One more question. Circulatory system. So just you write the notes. Okay, no need to draw the diagram. So circulatory system, just you learn and write. Okay, ma. So 3 questions. So male reproductive system, then brain. So only in the 3 membrane. After that, circulatory system. After that, circulatory system. So these 3 questions for homework. Okay, so next class we see that book back question. Okay, ma. So students, see that video, see properly. After that you learn and write. Okay, ma. Okay, thank you, students.